Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to deploy project on the Netlify. So guys, if you want to deploy the project on the Netlify, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you need to create a proper account on the Netlify. Okay guys, you can log in with your Google, you can log in with your GitHub account, and even you just create the login ID and the password. Okay, after creating your account, so guys, this is your dashboard of your Netlify. So guys, here you see that I'm refresh it once. Okay, so this is the main homepage of the Netlify. After that, you simply go back to your project which you want to deploy on your Netlify. The first thing is guys, Netlify only supported the front end side. If you want to upload the back end, so it is not working properly. Okay, second thing is guys, make sure that you have built dist folder. So how you convert your project into the dist folder? So first of all, you simply right click on your project and open it into the terminal. Okay, so you just right click and open in a terminal, and this is your terminal, and make sure your path. Now here you simply run one command, which is npm run build, and hit enter. You just wait a few moments. Here you see that it create a one dist folder under your this section. So currently here it is not show. When I close my Visual Studio Code and I'm open it again and go for the recent, and this is my project, and guys, here you see there is a one dist folder. Now here you check, there is some assets, fmg, lot of these things. You just right click and reveal in the finder. After that, open your Netlify. Okay, close it guys, go, this is not my browser is Brave. This is your Netlify. Now here you simply open your finder again and simply drag your folder here. Okay, it will take few seconds to upload, and after the few seconds it checking some configurations files, some pre-checks, some security checks. When everything is okay, then your project is deployed. So guys, here you see my project, it shows this is my project link, and this is my folder. If you want to get some add new changes, so you also upload your file here. When you click it, so your project is open. Okay, sometime it's creating the issue, but if you try 3-2 more times, and after fixing the bugs on your local, then you can easily deploy the project. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.